Welcome to Ajisha's Tuition, where learning made easy.
In this channel, we are going to learn basic mathematics and physics. If you like our video lectures, give us like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Happy learning!
Today we are going to see about how we will reduce fraction into its lowest term. We know that fractions are in the form of a by b, where a is called numerator and b is called denominator. If the common factor between a and b, that is common factor between numerator and denominator is equal to 1. Common factor is nothing but that is HCF. Highest common factor between a and b, that is equal to 1, then we can say that this fraction is in its lowest term. If the fraction is not in a lowest term, we can reduce that fraction into lowest term. Now we are going to see about how we will reduce fractions into a lowest term. Now here you can see one ratio, that all divided by 128. We want to find out what is the lowest term of this fraction. For finding the lowest term, first you have to find out what is the HCF of 112 and 128. We have to find the HCF. For finding HCF, you have to take the numbers 112 and 128. Now we have to divide these two numbers by using their common multiples. Here you can take 2 because both are divisible by 2. So here first you have to take in 112, first you have to take 11. Within 11, 5 2's are there. 5 2's are 10, remaining 1. So this 2 become 12. So 2, 6 2's are 12. So 6 2's are 12. That is, if you divide 112 by 2, our answer is 56. Now you have to divide 128 by 2. For dividing, first you have to take 12. Within 12, 6 2's are there. 6 2's are 12. Then 8, 4 2's are 8. 4 2's are 8. Again we can divide by 2. Now you have to take 5. Within 5, 2 2's are there. 2 2's are 4. Remaining 1. So 6 becomes 16. Within 16, 8 2's are there. You can write 8. Now 6, 3 2's are 6 and 4, 2 2's are 4. So you can write 32. Again we can 1 divided by 2. 2, 1, 8, 4 2's are 8. Now here 3, 1 2's are 2, remaining 1. So 2 become 12. So here you can write 6 2's are 12. Again you have to divide by 2 because both are even number. So 2, 7 2's are 4 and here 8 2's are 6. Now here after that, here 7 and 8. There was no common factors. So for finding HCF we can stop here. That is, there was no common factor between 7 and 8. So up to this you have to take. So we can write HCF of 112 and 128 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 into 4, 4 into 8, 8 into 2, that is 16. After finding HCF, you have to divide the numerator. You have to take the ratio. You have to take the ratio, that is 112 divided by 128. Now we want to reduce this ratio into lowest term. For that, both numerator and denominator you have to divide it by the HCF, that is 16. HCF is 16. So you have to divide 112 divided by 16, 128 divided by 16. Divide 112 divided by 16. So here you can take, this is 112 divided by 16. Here 2, 4, 8, 16. So if you divide 112 divided by 16, our answer will be 7. So you can write 7 here. Now if you divide 128 by 16, our answer will be 8. So we can write this is the lowest term. The lowest term of the given fraction 112 divided by 128. Here you can see another one fraction 5 by 7. If you are taking HCF of 5 and 7, we know that there was no common factors, only one is the common factor between 5 and 7. So therefore we can say that this 5 and 7, that is in its lowest term. Further we can't reduce this fraction.